Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Amazon Prime Video audio out of sync. So, first step is you need to check your internet connection. You need to test your internet speed. Use a speed test application or website to ensure you have at least 5 Mbps for HD streaming or 25 Mbps for 4K content. You can restart your router, switch to a wired connection, or reduce network usage. Next step is you restart your device. Turn off your streaming device, unplug it from power source of 30 seconds, plug it back in, turn it on, and try playing the video again. Next step is update the Amazon Prime Video application. Outdated application can cause audio sync problems. Go to your device app store or settings, search for Amazon Prime Video and check for updates. Install any updates, then restart the application and check if the issue is resolved. Next is clear cache and data. Corrupted cache or data can cause playback issues, including audio out of sync. So on Android, just long press, go to App Info, go to Storage Usage, and then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Last is reinstall the Amazon Prime Video application. If none of the above steps work, reinstalling the application can resolve deeper issues. Uninstall the Amazon Prime Video application from your device, restart your device, reinstall the app from your device store, log back into your account, and check if the issue is resolved. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.